this video, I'm going to show you how to use the transpose function. So the transpose function converts a vertical array to horizontal or vice versa. So let's look at some example. So here are the NBA seasons, here are the teams, and the money that is spent on salary in this season. Let's go to the task. So fill in below empty cells using the number in the data tab. So essentially what it asks us to do is to fill in all these empty cells using the data from the data tab. So as you can see, the team here and the seasons here are in the same order as what we have in the data tab. Well, they kind of flipped. So what we want to do here is we want to use the transpose function. So to do that, we want to select all the empty cells that we want to put the transpose function in. And then we do equal transpose. And then for the array, we'll just select the data that we want. So we go back to the data tab and select everything that we want here. So instead of pressing enter, what we want to do here is to press Ctrl Shift Enter. Now all the numbers have been transposed from the data tab. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.